Welcome back to Dev School. In this lesson, we'll be adding props directly from FAB, the Unreal Engine Marketplace. This is how you can find free or paid assets and bring them straight into your project. Now, you'll find the FAB button down here in the content drawer. Click it, and the FAB window opens. FAB is where you can browse assets like props, textures, materials, sound effects, even full environments. Use the search bar or categories to find what you want. Let's grab something simple, and I'll pick this chair. It's free, so I can just add it right away. Once it's imported, you can drag it into your level just like any other object. Use the move, rotate, and scale tools to place it where you want. You can add as many props as you want from FAB. Just be careful with project size. Large packs can add up quickly. And that's it. You've just learned how to bring assets into your project from FAB, the Unreal Marketplace. In the next lesson, we'll start building with geometry to block out walls and rooms. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you're ready when the next lesson drops. Keep experimenting, keep learning, because anybody can build a game, and you're already proving it.